Wind and Water Becoming Current by Cody West. The straws here and here are representing the wind current on Earth. And the red dots represent gyres. And so you can also see the motion of how it's moving east to west. In the water, yes, there is a difference in temperature. The wind coming from the straws that's blowing on the water is heating and cooling the water. So it changes the temperature from here rather than the water on the edges or behind the land or on top of the land. A gyre is a spiral vortex of hot and cold water. So when hot water meets cold water, it forms a gyre. At the equator, they go in the direction of east to west. And up here and down here, they go from west to east. There are a total of 5 gyres in the world. Gyres sometimes form hurricanes, and they also suck in trash that is polluting the ocean. Gyres affect my life because fish that end up on my dinner plate that I eat sometimes eat that trash that gets sucked into those gyres. So remember, when you throw away plastic, it increases the risk that it can be ingested into your body. Only if you throw it away in the ocean. But if you throw it away in a correct place, it's least likely to be ingested back into your body. The relationship between global patterns and global winds are that at the equator, winds go from east to west. So that's that way. And then up here and down here, which is away from the equator, they go from west to east. As you can see, they're going west to east and then east to west. So geographically, the closer you are to the middle of the earth, the more likely the winds are gonna be going towards the west. And the farther away, the most likely they'll be going towards the east. Back to this picture, you can see that the east wind drift is not blocked by any continents. It just goes thoroughly through. Since it's away from the equator, it's going towards the east. The east wind drift goes all the way through the earth. So boats, trash, and other random objects in the ocean would go east thoroughly along the east wind drift since there's no continents blocking it, and the wind would most likely just end up dying off and losing its power and energy. So after so long, the east wind drift probably just stops. But up here, you can see that it does have a little dead area. The end, and thank you for your time.